Hi, my name is Alyssa Duvall, and I am a student in Intro to Computer Science. So these are some of the notes that we took in our class. The function is just being able to be like, hey, if you're going to do this, then this will happen. So you would print text here, so once we press run, then it would be able to print whatever we put there. The library is just what contains everything that we have, so if you did this part would end up going in there, and you would put that into the program and be able to put whatever you need to. A variable is being able to change whatever you need to, so the variable being if for down here, being able to do what we need to do. And then going back into the if statement, if this happens, then you're going to print this, or if this doesn't happen, then you print this. A while loop is if you get it right, or if you get it wrong, then you'll be able to repeat itself as like, hey, if you got the number wrong, then you're going to guess again, or if you got it right, then congratulations. So this is one of the first programs that we had done. Just guess the number and you'll be able to import random, and the reason we do this is just so we can import a random number and be able to have the person guess which number it is. And then I just put hashtag print number so you don't have to see it, but if you do this part and then you press this, then you could be able to see the number and just pretend that the user can't. So you could be like, oh, the number's too low, the number's too high, and there you go. And then down here we want to use if guess equals number, then print equals good job. So if it gets it right away. But if it's false, then if it's too low, then it would guess too low. And if your guess is too high, then it would print too high. But if it did guess it, then you would say, yes, you guessed it correct, and then run again. This is our second replit that we ended up doing, which is variables, probably along the lines of doing it. This is one of my hobbies and how old I am, and then they would input their hobbies, say they're 16, and say like they did soccer, and then how old they were would be 16, and then their career being maybe a teacher on teacher helper. And then it would repeat back, hey, oh, you play soccer and you're a 16-year-old teacher helper, nice to meet you. Kind of that sort of thing. And this is the third program that I did end up using, which is printing, which is just kind of easy because you're just saying print the whole time and you don't have any while loop functions, or you don't have any for loop functions to be able to fix it around if you mess it up. We just did print, and then I moved it over here so then it could be more in the middle. And then you just script down a bit, and the /n just means a new line, and then /t is a new tab, so then it goes from school down to get grades and whatnot. And mental health, physical, relational, and spiritual, just being able to put down the list of stuff that I need to get done throughout the day. My final one is the one I created myself. And what I just did was figure out what I need to do. So import time to be able, if I want any stops in between. So if I just press run, and then it'll give you options of what you would like. So let's just say I want to make pancakes. So I'd press 1, no spaces, and then enter. Then I would get these ready: eggs, flour, milk, butter, baking powder, and salt. And then once I had these ready, this would get all together, and I would read off how to make it and the time it takes to make it, and then just being able to enjoy it after. And then if you want to know how to do more again, you would just end up pressing run, and then they would come up and you would do them again. And that is all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.